Okay, so let's start now by making a simple hi-hat. And let's use this sound because it's not a normal hi-hat sound. But you will see how you can make any sound into a hi-hat. So yeah, first of all, let's make an offbeat hi-hat. Find the right spot you're looking for. Find the right pitch. And now shape the envelope. Okay, already you have from this metallic sound, you have a cool hi-hat going on. And let's add a vocoder maybe. Okay, so what we're doing, we're adding noise with a vocoder, put it on mostly dry and then just boost the level. And then just process it to your liking. Maybe even we could put a corpus on it with which is a kind of a resonator, and make it more metallic, so it sounds more realistic. Now it has this cymbal quality to it because of the metal, because of the resonance that sounds like a metal object. Maybe we need some boost to the transient. And also it sounds now a little bit too plucky. So I just adjust with the transient shaper and then maybe add some more noise with the erosion. And let's add a vocoder once again. So yeah, basically you can tweak it a lot, but as you can see, you can make any sound into a hi-hat. Let's remove the corpus. That's cool. So for example, okay, we have now the hi-hat. And let's try putting another sample on it, a different sample. And now with the processing and the envelope, it will be very similar, but different also. So let's take this. This has nothing to do with the hi-hat, as you can hear. But here we have an interesting hi-hat sound. It works even better with both of them together. And that's also something you can utilize, just layering, just okay, I like this part of the sound but it lacks a little bit of this, and then you add another layer and then you play with it, and then you can group both of them as I'm doing right now, and processing them together as one sound, because together they make a new sound pretty much. Let's add another transient shaper. Okay, here we have HiHat.